from the second grade on, I was the best drawer in the class.
Okay.
And I sold my first painting when I was 19.
Oh, wow. Wow.
I was an art major in high school.
Yeah.
When they taught art.
Yeah, right, right.
And I graduated as art major of the year, and that got me a free ride to Chenard's Art Institute.
Oh, no kidding. Oh, wow.
But I had such good teachers in high school and stuff. They taught me incredible things. And when I went to Chenard's, I thought, after a few months, I thought, I'm not learning anything new here. So I joined the Army and became a paratrooper.
Wow. That's a leap in more than one way.
Yes. But my last name is Presley, and when I first started selling paintings and stuff, Elvis was king. Oh. And I didn't want any kind of controversy, so I went with my middle name is O'Day, and my first name is Ralph, but my dad was Ralph too, so to avoid confusion in the family, I've always been called O'Day.
Gotcha.
So I decided I've been signing my paintings as O'Day forever.
Forever.
You know, and
you just signed O'Day, no Presley, just O'Day?
Just O'Day.
Gotcha. Very cool. I like that.
That's what I did. Got 19 jumps in when I was in.
Oh, wow.
And I was,
19, huh?
yeah, I was in pre-Vietnam. I was during the Cuban Missile Crisis, the Bay of Pigs, and the assassination of Kennedy.
Oh, wow.
And the cool thing about it at that time, the 82nd Airborne was the elite group.
Yeah.
Okay, the Navy SEALs were still frogmen.
Okay.
Okay, so anytime there was anything going on in the world, we were on call.
The 82nd Airborne.
Yeah, so it was a fun time. But these, normally for years we had them in boxes and stuff, and then my son says, when we go to a show, we're going through the boxes and picking out different paintings. He says, let's just put them all up, and then we can take them off the wall and pack them, and
great way to keep them.
Yeah, so this is a small portion of them.
And your son said you have 80 of them
on the walls and stuff. Yeah, we got several rooms to go to.
Wow. And we're just getting warmed up.
Yeah, I do a lot of patriot stuff. I do what I call my American heroes. I do all branches of the service, first responders and astronauts. And all my heroes ones, I hide a flag in them.
Okay.
And then I do a lot of animals and stuff. And what I do is I start with a non-objective painting in the background. And while I'm doing it, the painting tells me what animal to put in it.
Gotcha.
And then I weave the animals in and out of the existing painting.
Wow.
It's really fun.
That's beautiful work.
Oh, thank you. But I started out, I was in sales and sales management and stuff for several years. And one day I had some antique decoys, and I was looking at them, and I said, I think I can do that. Uh-huh. So I went and bought a carving set.
Oh. Is that where you cut your teeth, is in carving?
Carving, yes, wow. And stuff. And I have some photos. And this is the way my booth used to look.
Okay. That style.
Yeah, I started in '79, and my son joined me in '81, and I taught him to carve. And for 18 years, we carved hundreds and hundreds of animals and carousel horses. We traveled all over the country selling at all the major shows in the USA. And then I got too old to be carving, and so I went back to painting.
Arthritis, did it catch up to you a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we can go in here.
Okay. Oh, wow.
And this is some of my military stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, see I have a flag hidden in here.
Oh, I do see it.
And this was my most clever one.
Oh, that is very clever.
Yeah, there was a lady in the booth one day, and she was I tell them that there's hidden flags, and she couldn't find it. She says, I can't seem to find it. Can you give me a hint? I said, well, you're on the right track.
That's a great hint. I love your work.
Oh, thank you. And over the years, when we were doing the carousel horses and stuff, I would, some of the promoters and stuff I'd pay for one booth and they'd give us a second one, and we would set up a carving thing there and carve on site. And because it was so visual, we ended up getting lots of newspaper articles and stuff about us.
Wow.
But this is some of the things that carousel animals that we carved. We carved.
Oh, goodness. Oh, wow.
I invented the carousel dinosaur.
Oh, no kidding. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I like it. My girlfriend's a big fan of dinosaurs. She'll love that.
This is the way the booth looked and stuff in those days.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It's quite a carving you're working on there.
Here's a couple of carvings that I...
Oh, wow. Wow.
And these walls are lined with the... I have a lot of paintings and stuff from other artists. When I was doing carvings, I would trade them a carving for
a painting.
For a painting. So
you got a little collection too.
yeah. And this was an artist friend of mine, and I was doing a show in San Francisco on Maiden Lane.
Oh, wow.
And he took a picture of it and then did this painting for
Painting of your...
of my booth.
It's a little extra special to you then. Wow. Beautiful. Gorgeous.
And for me, it's all pure fun.
Absolutely. It is absolutely gorgeous. Wow.
Yeah, I do a lot of firefighters and stuff. They're my heroes locally here.
Great stuff.
And then all these golf clubs that you see here and stuff. My son and I take the golf clubs and we cut off the shaft, and then we
Oh, wow.
whittle heads out
Oh,
of them
goodness.
and turn
Look
them
at that little guy.
into ducks and things of that
How
nature.
creative.
And we have a
Oh, wow.
buzzard. But these are some of the other carvings and stuff. We did
Wow.
all the fishes of the world. Did lots of big whales and just all manner of fish.
Oh. Oh, goodness. Holy moly. Holy moly. It's everywhere.
Yeah, all the walls in here are painted that could be painted.
Wow.
This particular painting called Party in the Garden of Love, and these are all copies of Renaissance painters that were my favorites.
Okay. Do you have a favorite?
Usually it's the last one that I did.
Yeah. Yeah, isn't that the truth? They're all your babies, right?
Yes.
It is absolutely stunning. Wow. How long did it take you to do
Oh,
this? This is quite
yeah, time-wise and stuff, I don't pay much attention to it and
just
stuff.
kind of work at it. And
Yeah, you know.
when she tells you she's done, huh?
Yeah, that's it.
Wow. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, the shop isn't much to look at and stuff, and I work in chaos.
Right?
My son is meticulous about everything and
Oh, is
stuff,
that right?
but me, the more chaotic it is, the more fun it is. All right, Bartista, come on in, have a beer.
Oh, wow.
This is a commission. The top two and stuff are going to Florida.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah,
Oh, no kidding.
so it's a Florida black bass and a pike.
Great stuff.
Yeah, when the economy crashed and stuff, due to COVID and stuff, my prices were way out of line. So I started painting rocks.
Oh.
And one of the things I do is flags, which is the most difficult thing that I do. You got parallel wavy lines and stars.
Right.
They really test my patience.
Yeah, especially on an uneven surface like that.
Yes.
Inconsistent surface like that. Wow.
This is my photo library and stuff of animals and things. Yeah, in the art world, it's called a morgue.
So what's your favorite? Do you prefer painting on canvas, or you seem to like to paint on different objects?
Yeah, well, my son says I'll paint anything that won't run away from me.
Stay still long enough for you to get some paint on it.
Yeah, there's the reason I bought the place.
Wow. God, that sounds beautiful.
Yeah, the sound of it is amazing. Yeah, when I'm stressed out, I like to go down there and sit in a chair and I talk to the creek and I tell it to take all my stress and wash it down to.
Yeah.
Oh, let me show you this one. This is a fun one. I must have done this painting after a very bad round of golf.
Oh.
666 yards, broken clubs.
You were mad at golf. That's great.
Oh, and this is Sean and I carved this.
Oh, wow. Holy smokes, I didn't even notice.
These are all the animals that we see here on the
I
property.
didn't even see that. Wow. Did you guys carve that right as it is?
No, we had it down and then we carved it and then mounted it up there.
Wow. It's really cool. Beautiful stuff. You got all kinds of stuff in that. You got snakes, and squirrels.
Yeah, everything that we've seen on the property here is on there and stuff. From hummingbirds to wood ducks.
I bet that creek draws a lot of wildlife.
Oh, it does, yes. Yeah, we've had otters come through here.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, when we first moved here for about 6 or 7 years, we had a mink that came down and visited, and I saw it catch a trout.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it was one of the most.
Not something you see every day.
No, that's for sure.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, I walked out there one day and I saw something going up into the bushes and stuff, and I thought, that was an otter. And then 2 days later and stuff, male and female and 3 little pups and stuff showed up down here, and they came by every day for a couple of weeks or so.
Wow. I didn't even know they were up here. No idea.
Yeah, me neither.
Wow.
Yeah, we've caught trout down there and pangold out of there.
Yeah. Did you get any luck?
Oh yeah, you know, it's more fun than it is profitable.
And it's right here, so.
Right.
Yeah, might as well give it a pan.
Yeah, whenever I have family over and stuff, I set up a sluice box and all of that, and so the kids get to pay
for
golds. Right, they have a lot of fun.
How cool.
Calaveras Enterprise for all the where's and why's and who's and how's and when's and what you need. In Calaveras County, when you want the lowdown, yeah, the Enterprise is what you want to read to get all the local politics, weather, sports, cops, criminals, and courts, and other sorts of Calaveras news. Get the Calaveras Enterprise delivered to you. 754